Let's see how she runs. Ooh. 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 Oh, I think the gyro turned all the way up. All right, turn the gyro down. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, all right, it was way too much. Too much with the gyro. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah. She's a beaut. Smooth as hell too. Not fast, but quick, like a rally car should be. But you don't need a lot of space to have fun with it. That's a good thing. Ooh, that was pretty. Oh, she slides. Beautifully. I mean, you could make it do what you want it to do. Oh, yeah. All right. I'm hot. I'm going back in the air.